Good morning. Oh wait, that just got real dark. Oops, I ran to the table. Good morning, y'all. Yeah, I have a lot going on today. Me and my brother are putting up the Christmas tree whenever he wakes up. Y'all, my eyes are so irritated. I'm gonna have to wear my glasses today because my eyes are swollen for whatever reason. But yeah, we're putting up the Christmas tree, and then I have 3 clients like soon after that. So I'm trying to make my coffee now. Y'all, I need a smaller Keurig because this one, my dad's making peanuts, y'all. Focus. Focus. Yeah, I see him. But yeah, I need a different Keurig. What do y'all recommend? Because this one is really too big now. I think I'm ready for something smaller because, so my boyfriend had me buy this thing. Like, he bought it because he wanted, I don't know, he was saying something about this being deluxe or whatever. And then I'm just the only person using the thing. I don't know why we bought this big one. I should have got the small one like I was planning on, but it is what it is. But yeah, I've got my coffee in my Virgo cup. So I always fix it in an actual like mug first, and then I transfer it to my cup because this doesn't sit high enough for me to put my cup under it. So I'm about to transfer this, make my coffee, go ahead and straighten up my what is called room, and I will be back to talk to y'all. Alright guys, so I did tell y'all I was going to show y'all this today. So this is my old camera. This is a Sony a6000. Oh baby. I turned it on, Lord. That was one of the things I was having an issue with. I wanted it to show y'all the a6000. There it is, a6000. And remember I was telling y'all there was this purple line. Can y'all see the purple line? That purple line right there. So when I asked about it, it was brought to my attention that my sensor was dying. So I ended up getting a new camera from Best Buy. I went to Best Buy and I got the G7X Mark III by Canon. So I went with a completely different brand. And y'all, this is what I've been filming with the last couple days, and I absolutely love it. I did go ahead and get an extended warranty with Best Buy. So I have my company warranty with Canon, and I think it's a year warranty. So I can send it back to them at any moment and get them to fix it. And then I got the 3-year warranty with Best Buy, so I can always take it back to them and have them fix it. But baby, I'm definitely writing this off on my taxes because this is definitely part of my what is it called, business. This is for business purposes, so it's definitely getting wrote off. But yeah, I'm just cleaning this room. I just gotta put like Had to put my laptop up, move this light over, clean that little table off, pack my hair bag up, move it to the corner, straighten up my, what is that? That thing. My tray. And I've cleaned this bed off. There's nothing on it. So I'm just going to wipe it down and spray my blanket because I haven't had anybody in here in a while. And I don't know, I just feel like you just need to wipe it down. We in COVID, so. But yeah, my little mannequin, I need to unwrap her. Oh, and I need to put wax up because I got wax paint. But alright, y'all. All right, y'all, we finished the tree. My mom wants to get a bow because that looks weird, but this is the tree. It has all the little bulbs on it and our lights. Okay, so let me tell y'all about some of these ornaments. So this one, this is Rudolph. My mom actually made this in school. And then we have this angel bulb that we've had forever. And I think she made this one too, y'all. She asked me, did y'all make stuff like this in school? And I'm like, no. But yeah, that's our tree. Once we get a bowl, I'll show that to y'all too. But yeah, I need to go ahead and edit for today so I can get Vlogmas Day 6 out for y'all by 6 o'clock. And y'all will see this on, this one y'all will be seeing on Monday. Yeah. But okay, I will talk to y'all in a bit.